It is said that no one can sneeze with their eyes open. This is a self-protection mechanism of the human body. There was once a case where someone forcibly tried to sneeze with their eyes open, and as a result, their eyeball popped out. This might be the lowest cost myth we've tested since our show began. I placed a feather near Jamie's nose and moved it back and forth, trying to make him sneeze. But Jamie said he didn't feel anything at all. He went to the kitchen, grabbed a bottle of black pepper, poured some into his hand, and inhaled it through his nose. He thought this would give a stronger nasal irritation.
Well, pepper, whether it's white, black, or green, has an alkaloid of pyridine called piperine, and this irritates the nerve endings underneath your mucous membranes.
Soon, Jamie sneezed. High-speed cameras showed that he tried to control his eyelids, but still instinctively closed his eyes. To ensure accurate results, I decided to try it myself. At the moment I sneezed, I also closed my eyes. Clearly, this myth is partially true, but I still wanted to know what would happen if someone forcibly tried to keep their eyes open.
This time he'll clamp his eyes open. But will he be able to sneeze without causing permanent damage?
Obviously, my eyeballs didn't pop out. I only felt a slight stinging sensation. For a more rigorous test, I went to a well-known ophthalmology hospital to hear their opinion on this myth.
Well, that's almost impossible. There are a number of things holding your eye in your head. There's a covering over the surface of the eye called the conjunctiva. Your eye is also connected to 6 different extraocular muscles.
It seems there's no need to worry about your eyes popping out. But I'm still curious, without any external force, is it really impossible for anyone to sneeze with their eyes open?
If you have done this experiment before, tell us in the comments section, and also tell us where you're watching from. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.